Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on night shift and what it is on the iPhone. So today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work the same. So what you want to do to get to the night shift, you want to go to the settings. Then you want to swipe down to find display and brightness, so just click on display and brightness, and now by swiping down you're going to find the night shift. So let's go into it. A night shift, what it does, it is making the display warmer to the warmer end of the color spectrum, and this is making your eyes a little bit not too tired. Like the warmer colors without the blue light are better for your eyes, and you're going to get less eye strain, especially in the evening. It will make you as you can see, this may help you get a better nightly sleep because your eyes are not going to get a lot of blue light, so you're not going to be awake all the night, scrolling and everything. So you have two options. You can manually enable night shift until tomorrow, and as you can see, we have like a little bit of a yellow screen right now, warmer. If you turn it off, you're going to see the difference, as you can see. Or you can turn on the scheduled night shift, so you can turn on the schedule, and now you can choose between the hours that you want to have the night shift on, and this will automatically turn it on after 11 p.m. to 7 a.m. And also you can set it to from the sunset to sunrise, so during the night. This is going to, the night shift is going to be on, and it is based on your location. So if you travel to another country that is on the other side of the world, this is also going to work. And also you have the color temperature, so you can choose from less warm to the more warm option. I guess you're not going to like the warmer one, like this right here, because it makes the screen really like yellowish, but I really in my case like to leave it a little bit more warm, because the basic function is, you're getting used to it after some 30 seconds or something like that. So yeah, this is how night shift works, and this is how you can turn it on, set the schedule, and everything that you need to know about the night shift. So thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!